Here's how to convert audio to MP3. So if you have some audio files like this WAV file that I have over here, I use an app called ConvertSave that I actually created, and it works for Windows and Mac. There's a link in the description, or check it out at convertsave.com. You can go to sample, or not go to sample, you can click and drag your audio and bring it into ConvertSave and then select your output. You see it's already on MP3. I have a few different audio formats I can select here and then hit convert. It'll save that MP3 right next to wherever your original audio file came from. So that's how you can convert audio to MP3, but it also works for video. So if you had like an MP4 or something, you can clear out your files, drag in some more, and then just select what you want to convert that to. So I'm going to select MP3, convert. So it actually does audio and video to MP3. And it also works on Windows and Mac, and it works offline. So you don't have to upload your files anywhere. It's literally just click and drag on your desktop. This is how I convert everything now, and hopefully you find it useful too. I convert audio to MP3 or video to MP3 pretty quickly and easily here with ConvertSave. Thanks for your support, you guys. Hopefully it helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one.